Here we go. What you doing? What is it? Oh, you dropped it. Don't drop yours. There you go. Oh, that's my buddy that he'll want delivery now. We just got 2. There was 3 or 4. I just got home from the Cecil. I go there for supper every night. And this morning I was there early 10 o'clock and I fixed 2 of the bar stools for them. The seat covers were coming off them, so I screwed nailed them back on. No big deal. Yeah. They had a real good crowd last night. Just a minute, I'm coming over. I'm coming. You ready? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yes, I am. He said, just give it to me. You want yours here? I got some water out for you. Yeah. We got some, and it's raining again. The deck's not even drying off. I got the food in the pan there. And it's mild out tonight. It's 40, 45 around there. Yeah. Good temperature. Oh, you want another one? Okay. Is this what you want? Is that what you want? Look at that. So anyway, the 3 girls on tonight was Amber and Gabby and McKenna, and out in the kitchen was Steve and Connor. And his name is Connor. Here. What was that? I heard a big crack in the woods. Like a branch snapped or something. Turn the light over. There, I got the light on the lawn out there. I don't see anything, but they took off flying. And it was a loud snap of a branch. Anyway, we'll continue this later. We get some more up here. There'll be a while before they come back. There's all the babies. They all came back. Yes, they did. They all came back. You did so. Yes, you did so. The big crowd out there. Yes, you were. Well, they got the pan over there. They dragged it over there. I found it down on the lawn this morning. The pan that had the... Here we go. Everybody stay put. I'm coming. Yep, nobody get scared. Okay? Here we go. Look at all the babies. Look at all the babies. Look at them all. I'm just going to hang this on the door handle. Connor's in the haunted house. There you go. There's 1. And here's 2. And here's 3. I like how they stand up. There's yours. You want yours too? Here. Here you go. Look at that. Look at all the babies. Look at 5 babies. See that pan there? They dragged it over there. This morning it was down the middle of the lawn. Yes. So anyway, we had to continue. The raccoons were up in the tree. Those 2 that they got scared. I don't know what it was down there, but it was an awful crack of somebody in a tree. Maybe fell out of a tree. I don't know. But made a thud, and they all got startled. You ready for another one? Are you? Here you go. You gotta come over there. Look at that. Who else wants some more? Here. There you go. Are you ready for yours? You going to stand up too? You ready for another one? Scooter's not here. Yeah. So these guys come early now. As soon as it gets dark, they're here, aren't you? Yes. Because they're nocturnal and they go by the darkness. I got to fill up that pan again. Yes, we do. So anyway, it's raining, so we're not sitting in the bench. Well, and the bench is getting cleaner now with all the rain. That's why I put it there. Get it cleaner. Here we go. Look at that. Isn't that good? Yeah. Isn't that good? Are you coming for another one? Here we go. Here you go. Look at that. Oh, oh, you caught it. You didn't let it hit the ground. That's way off in the distance, that muffler. That's not even on my road. Here. Why the Mounties aren't doing something about it? Because there is regulations that your mufflers aren't supposed to exceed certain decibels. I remember growing up, they had these things called Hollywood mufflers. You weren't allowed to have them. And if you had them, they seized your car, and you had to go to a garage and have them taken off right away. But I noticed these young fellows, they got these little Dats and Sentras and stuff, and Honda Civics, especially the Honda Civics, the big mufflers on them, to make them sound like a big muscle car. Yeah, and they're not muscle cars, that's for sure. I had a Honda Civic. They're just a puddle jumper. Yeah, to get you to point A to point B. Yeah. Yeah. There's one fellow's gone. I had a Datsun Sentra. It was an '83, and the standard, and it was, I called it a lunchbox. And I mean, they're a nice looking car today, the Sentras, but the '83 model had Datsun and Nissan. That was at the time they were switching over to Nissan. So they had Datsun and Nissan on the back. And the only problem I found with it, if the road wasn't plowed, my gas line used to freeze all the time and the car would quit. So, and it did all the time until the time I had it. Because it was built too low to the ground and the gas line was exposed. So when I was working for the school board then, and when I was trying to get to my bus run, I used to leave super early because I knew I was going to have a hard time with the car, especially if the roads weren't plowed. Here. There you go. That's Rusty there. This fella here against the wall, he was half asleep when I come out. Weren't you? There's just 2 left now. Yep, there's only 2 left. Yes. You ready for another one? Do another one? Are you still hungry? Okay, here. You go. Not done yet. You're not done yet, are you? No. You guys gonna let me pick up that old pan? Huh? You gonna let me get that old pan? Are you? Is there somebody else coming? They got their winter coats on. They're all ready for the winter. I know a lot of people are complaining that they're too fat, but like I keep harping, if they're not fat, they won't survive the winter. That's just nature's way there. You're leaving, aren't you? Are you leaving? Take your hot dog. Take it with you. Okay. Are you going to stay there, are you? I wonder if you let me get that pan. I just want to grab the pan here for a minute. Okay. Can I get the pan? Okay. Oh, I'm not going to grab the hot dog. I'm just going to get this. Come on. There. There we go. Here. Come on. There. Come on. I had to put the pan there because I'm going to fill it up with dry dog food again. The deck's too wet. Yes, it is. You coming back up? Are you? You still eating? You want another one? Look. Go get it. Can you get it? There you go. Well, he's going to stay for a while. I'm just going to dump the rest out here. And, yeah. I'll just dump the rest of them out there, and then I'm going to turn off the light. I'll get two more there. Put them there. Turn off the big light. I leave this one on for them, the other one. And we're going to put some dry food on that pan. And I think we'll call this a night. I'm going to watch out for this Charlotte. There's Charlotte there. That's Charlotte the cat, aren't you? Yeah. Connor is in the haunted house. He was. She was asleep on his tree, and then when I went and lay down, she came in with me. Okay, I'll turn on the... There he is. He's in the haunted house. Yes, he is. He's in the haunted house. He's just a Connor cat. That's a beautiful mattress. It's very comfortable, eh? Yes, he's in the haunted house. You're the good boy. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Are you a good boy? Connor, are you a good baby? Are you? Oh, he's all in, aren't you? Are you tired? Are you sleepy tired? Are you sleepy tired? Are you? Where's she going? I was laying down in the bed there and he was up laying with me. She jumped up in the bed and he took off after her. Chased her. Yes, you did. What are you doing? Are you sleepy tired? Are you? Are you in a haunted house? Are you the ghost? Connor, are you in a haunted house? Are you? You good baby. What is it? Here's something. That's Charlotte. What, Charlotte? What? Charlotte, what do you want? Well, I thought he'd swat her on, but he didn't. Oh, look at her rubbing up against him. Yeah. He's using that, a friend of mine down the States sent me the Boston Bruins rink. And he uses that all the time. He don't play with the ball much, but he likes the scratch pad. Yeah, the Boston Bruins. And you flip it over, it's the ice surface, but that's the side he scratches on. In the corner. You're just a corner cat. You had a good sleep? Did you? Charlotte? Charlotte. I gotta put some more dry dog food out, then I gotta load up those containers. He's gone, so anyway, it's safe to go. Alright. Thank you for watching, people. We shall see you tomorrow night.